In the culinary world today, there are more opportunities than ever. This isn't just a platitude, it's a supply and demand reality. All over America, the rate of openings of restaurants, specialty food stores, hotels, and artisanal butchers exceeds the rate at which other older ones close. And these enterprises need not just staff, they need managers and they need leaders. Make sure you have people in your life who can give you support, perspective, and honest feedback as you pursue your dreams. To sum it up, I would say, keep your head in the clouds and your feet on the ground.
Some of you are very young, just out of high school, and some of you really found a passion. And you know, if you find your passion, you will never work a day in your life. You will do what you really love to do. For me, I think I tell everybody, we have to find a mentor, somebody to look up to. We are lucky today. We have millions of opportunities. All you have to do is grab the right one.
Even the harvest of a season of stagnancy can yield life-changing fruit. You each have a story that only your voice can tell. So press on and stay hungry.
I did not buy my diploma, I earned it, and so did you. You should always take pride in this accomplishment because it is forever and it has real meaning. It means you have the skills to be employed anywhere in the world for the rest of your lives. It means you are now an ICE graduate, an achievement no one can ever take away from you. The way you leave a legacy in this industry is by producing the next generation of professionals to follow you and deciding what you want this culture to be.